In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a submenu in Wix Studio. If you've been working on your Wix site and you're ready to organize your menu a bit better, adding a submenu can help you streamline navigation. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, open up your Wix website. Ensure you're logged into your Wix account, and head over to your website dashboard. This is your workspace where all the editing magic happens. Once you're in, look towards the left side of your screen. You'll find some essential tools for managing your site, and among these, you'll see the option labeled Pages and Menu. Give it a click. This is where we'll be focusing today. When you open Pages and Menu, you'll see a list of all the pages you already have on your site. Now, take a moment to identify the main page to which you'd like to add a submenu. This is an important step because the submenu will be nested under this main page. Once you've decided on your main page, think about what will populate your submenu. These are the pages that you might only want accessible through their parent page, perhaps because they're part of a related section or topic. After you've identified the page you want as your submenu, it's time to make it happen with a simple action. All you need to do is click and hold on the page you want to be the submenu, and then drag it directly underneath the main page. This drag and drop functionality is a real time saver, allowing you to intuitively arrange your site's menu structure. You'll notice that as you drag, an indentation will appear, indicating that the page is becoming a submenu item. Once it's positioned correctly, just release your mouse button. Congratulations, you've added a submenu. Feel free to repeat these steps for other pages if needed. It's worth noting that having a well-structured menu not only enhances the aesthetic of your site, but also improves user experience by making it easier for visitors to find what they're looking for. After you've rearranged your menus to your satisfaction, it's always a good idea to preview your changes. At the top of your editor, you'll see a preview button. Click on this, and you'll be transported to a simulation of what your visitors will see. Check that everything appears as you intended, with your new submenu neatly tucked under its parent page. If you're happy with the result, don't forget to hit Publish so your changes go live for all your visitors to see. And there you have it, a simple, streamlined way to keep your website organized and user-friendly. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this walkthrough helps you create the perfect navigation for your Wix site.